Welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new interesting question for you. Today we read a logical question. A dot a three times dot a and two times dot a is equal to 100. How we can find the value of a is unknown. Very interesting algebra equation. So according to the product rule, when the bases are same and the product forms, so we add their exponent, and here exponent is 1. We take only one base and we add their powers minus, and in here is also we add their power because the bases are same, is equal to 100. We get in here a cube minus a square is equal to, and also we transfer this side, so we get in here 0. Now there are too many methods we can simplify these terms, and if we using synthetic division method also, and we substitute in here, let if we take the polynomial of PA is equal to a cube minus a square minus 100. So we want to check in here, substitute the values of put a is equal to 0, plus minus 1, and plus minus 2, and plus minus 3, up to so on. By inspection method, if we put in here 0, so the result is not equal to 0, but we are required to 0 in here. So if we put in here, put directly by inspection, a is equal to 5, so we get in here polynomial of a is equal to polynomial of a, we put in here 5, so this will be equal to 5 cube minus and 5 square minus 100 is equal to 0. We want to check this result is 0, so we get in here 125 minus, this will be 25 minus 100 is equal to, we get in here 100 and minus 100, so the result both are cancelled, it will be 0. It means that the factor we get in here, a minus 5 is a factor, a minus 5 is a factor of the given polynomial. So we can now reduce using synthetic division method. We take the coefficient of the variable a is equal to 1, and here is minus 1, and a is absent, whole result is 0, and constant value is equal to minus 100. So now we are using synthetic division method, and here 5 is the factor, and the first value we bring in here the same, there will be no change, and 5 multiplied by 1 we get 5, we get this result 8, 5 minus 1 we get 4 multiplied by 5 we get 20, and 20 plus 0 we get 20, and 20 multiplied this will be 100. If we subtract this result, the result is 0. It means that we get in reduces, this is the form, this is the first value of constant value, this is the value of a, and this is the value of coefficient of a square. Now we reduces the form of this equation now. Here first a 1 square plus 4a plus 20 is equal to, that is the quotient of x is equal to 0. Now we are finding the roots, so we can use in here quadratic, compare with the quadratic equation, so we get in here a square plus 4a plus 20 is equal to 0. If we are comparing with the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get, and here the value of a is equal to 1. And now we reduces the given equation in quadratic form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 20. Now we are using quadratic formula. Formula is a is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now we substitute the value of a and b and c in equation. The given quadratic formula here is minus 4 plus minus 4 square, that is the value of b, minus 4a into c. A is equal to 1 and c is equal to 20 divided by 2a. A is equal to 1. Now we simplify. Here a is equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 20 multiplied by 4, we get 80 square root divided by 2. And here a is equal to minus 4 plus minus, and we subtract this result 16, we get in here 10 minus 6, we get 4, and 7 is remaining, 7 minus 6 minus 64 divided by 2. Now in here a is equal to minus 4. In the place of minus, we put in here, we can write this one minus 1 multiplied by 64, we get the same result divided by 2. Further we can simplify this result, minus 4 plus minus, in the place of we get an iota square is equal to minus 1, and here we are put 64 iota square in the place of minus 1, we put the result is minus 2. Now and here we can get a result, a is equal to minus 4, and this will be equal to 8 square iota square root divided by 2. 8 is equal to minus 4 plus minus. This result we can write, both are square, so we can write in one term divided by 2. So a is equal to minus 4 plus minus, this will be 8 iota, this will be cancelled divided by 2. Now we taking common, 2 is common, taking common, minus 2 is taking common, minus 2 plus minus 4 iota divided by 2, and 2 are cancelled, we get minus 2 plus minus 4 iota. We get the given equation is in the cubic form, so we get 3 roots, and here we get the 3, we get 3 roots of this equation is a is equal to, a1 is equal to 5, and the second time a2 is equal to, first time we take positive plus 4 iota, that is complex form, and similarly and the third roots is equal to minus 2, and we take, and the third time minus, so that is also complex form. So these are the roots of the given equation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.